This video I'm going to show you how you can remove ruler on your videos. So if you have ruler calibrations on your editing panel in Filmora, it is pretty much simple to remove them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so all you need to do is to go ahead and look for the settings icon, which is this. And then if you click on it, we can see ruler is currently selected. So that's why we have the ruler calibrations on our editing panel. To remove it, just go ahead and click on it. And now you can see the ruler has been removed and our editing panel is clear. So that's how you can remove ruler on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.